Trusteeship Council. These five permanent members of the nation in this council. There are five permanent members. Okay, they actually take care about the nations that have not acquired independence and are under any some previous mandate, means they are under some other nation. They then also the nations that were defeated during the Second World War, as they will look after the social, economic and any political developments. So that is comes under this trusteeship council. There are five permanent members and they look after the nation that have not acquired independence or are under some previous mandate, and also the nations defeated in the Second World War. This council looks after them, their social, economical and political development. International Court of Justice. Its headquarters is in city of Netherlands, and 15 judges looks in it who are appointed for 9 years, and it solves the dispute between nations, gives verdict on international disputes presented before it, and gives legal advices. So this International Court of Justice actually solves the problems between nation. They will look into the matter and gives legal advices and tries to solve the problems, disputes among the nation. It has 15 judges included in it, and each judges are appointed for a lifespan of 9 years. And the last one is Secretariat. So the office of Secretary General of United Nations is called the Secretariat, and the General Assembly appoints the Secretary General for a time period of 5 years. And the secretaries, administrators, assistants and translators and experts are also appointed to help the Secretary General. And this office is in New York. The United Nations has constantly been making efforts to establish world peace and world unity to achieve the dream of universal brotherhood. So here your lesson comes to an end. So here your lesson comes to an end. We have seen about the effects of World War, then how United Nations came in with the concept, and what are the different organs of United Nations like General Assembly, Security Council, and different councils formed to give the economic and social support like WHO, IMF, FAO, ILO, UNICEF, UNESCO. And then Trusteeship Council, which was created to give support to the independent, which nations that are not independent or the nations that were defeated during Second World War. Then International Council of Justice was formed so that the judges of 15 judges together make decision and try to maintain peace throughout the world. And then Secretariat, where General Secretary looks into the matter. So there we are coming towards the end of lesson number 3, movement towards a new world. I hope the terms and points are clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.